It's in the end of November and it's a nice day for some drone flying. It's around -3 degrees. The sun is about to come over the mountains now. Time is 11 o'clock. Not many days now until the sun is completely gone. So let's go out and fly some winter drone flying. Alright, let's stop here. It's a small place called Hopen. It's near Tverlandet outside of Bodø. And obviously we are now in Norway. Yes, here's a good spot to start. Right near this wall of ice.
Home point updated.
Yes. And there's a lot of reflections, but we got the home point updated. And this time I'm gonna test out recording the controller screen as well as the drone. That gives some nice footage. You do it like this. And then you have a record screen there. It complains about SD card speed low, but I think it's okay. Okay, let's unleash this drone.
Take off. Home point updated.
Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. You're inside a dream. Escape the real world.
Stopping here by Vatnvatnet Lake. Very nice and quiet area. It's -5 here.
Escape the real world.
Yes, I suddenly got a low battery warning, and that can happen very quickly when it's cold. The battery gets cold and loses its energy. So I quickly had to land, but I made it safely back.
Escape the real world.
yes, that was it. The drone performed very well in winter conditions and in very cold weather. Thanks for watching. See you next time.